Hello viewer, we are creating the designs here. Explore the features around it. So we have to take it, make some further designs, explore these options here. So there it is. I will find the shapes here. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So there we are. Explore the different options. We will take it